Jam, you got someone in chat who wants to play with you. Not
Yeah,
you
yeah.
feeling bad as well.
Yeah, fuck that little someone in chat, G. You're more important. Apparently.
First and first serve.
Fuck yeah. Then Justin doesn't get first serve.
Nah, not today.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
What do you mean, oh? Sully, you're good at?
Yeah.
Oh, for fuck!
Oh, for flying fuckeries.
Not. What?
I'll go for the body A. Oh, wow.
Jump on, burrito.
Where'd you knock him at, G? Okay.
I don't know, he just died.
Alrighty, okay.
Okay.
That's for the crackles there.
I'm stuck!
I'm stuck, step bro.
Listen to it.
I just got home from the mahi. One bitch, nigga.
God fucking damn it.
Oh.
Yeah, it tickled my neck out, what?
Fuck's sake. He's gonna be the reason I get banned on Twitch. He's it. You're gonna be the reason I get banned.
I got cook it on my knuckle full of fat cock.
Okay. Ugh.
Wow.
Don't do that.
What the?
Wee. Shut the fuck up. There's a person. Shoot him. No, I keep hitting you. 44. Get him.
What? 150, kill him,
What the
please.
fuck? I'm trying to spray. I can't.
Yeah, tickle my neck, what I can.
Why? Why are you like this?
Just reset this and res. No, just
I can't.
res.
Want a half pot?
No, I got two bigs. Well, it's three,
Wee.
if you know what I mean.
It's Halloween.
Go pop it. Oh shit. I need white heels. Who's white in chat?
Damn.
Ellie?
What do you mean, Ali? I'm gonna die this gun. No. No.
Is he good?
No, I'm just terrible. I don't know about the other ones though, there's a whole team now. Why am I so bad? Thank you.
You wish, buddy boy.
You go like
yeah.
this. I'm pretty sure that's command. Oh, good spelling.
Now tickle my back out, you're dry.
Yeah. What are you going on about?
She died. Just for the loot out there. I'm box fighting your potty ass. Get in there, teammate.
Just wiping. Ah, there's people over there. What are the presidents?
Well, what reboots are still a thing? Sure.
He got stuck.
With it.
You poor soul. I'm so sorry. Can I shoot him?
Galaxy, come to me. There's gold dude on me. There's gold if you beard pepper shotty.
Hey, coming. Thank you. That's the SMG I had before.
Uh huh. I dropped
I
it.
don't like that shotgun. Thank you.
You're very not welcome.
Dropped your AR for a second sniper. Oh, it was an accident! I dropped them. There's some hiding too. Oh, there's a person.
Really.
Not anymore.
Another person on there. fuck, I was scared you were gonna say that, bitch.
You're right, Pookie.
Carl. Tickle my
Is that
mic is
you?
not
Is that
okay.
you, Maria? What in the fuck? Oh, there's no way I turned around to get sniped in the head. Whoopsies.
Oh shit, they Afghans.
What? Just fucking hell, again.
They Afghanese.
Watch what you say, please. Oh, they
No,
just
sir.
executed. No, sir! I just watched that team get executed.
I'm the only one alive. It's fucking cool, no, bitch.
Hey! What the fuck? Thank you for the follow. Just joking. Thanks. Hi.
It's not a pixie come. You can't eat a cookie here.
You got this. Okay. We have a fourth coming in. Rito, do you want to request to join it? I'm thinking about it. Sorry.
Nice. Good ping, boys. Oh shit. I'm sorry, sir. I do not apologize. No matter.
Sorry, you don't need them anyway. You'll be fine.
No, I'm stuck here. I need someone to mark Zoe for me in the game. Oh, nice one, Rezard.
What?
Oh, yeah, that's right, bitch. My job was not to be there for you, it was to be.
Just kiss me.
I don't like this, sir.
Yeah, she should do a customs egg. What? One day. One day we'll do a customs. One day.
Yeah, 1%, okay.
Hmm?
How many teams are left?
Whoa, what the fuck? 4 other teams.
5. I'm here for.
4 other. 4 other.
Can someone mark Zone for me? Like, for that?
I don't know. That way. I'm struggling. Good job, Pookie. Oh, look, it's the spot where I got stuck and I couldn't move. Crazy. Oh, no, it wasn't. That was the last game.
Mm-hmm. This shit wouldn't be here, dumbass. Just want a sniper, bro.
Smack off.
Snipper. If I could snip these ballers off. Pull me, pull me, pull me. Thanks. Fuck, wrong way. I need glasses. Good aim. What?
Oh, what?
Okay.
Excuse you? Hi. Hi. I don't know what to call you either. What do we call you? Should we give people new
Let's do
names?
sec.
No, I
Sec.
don't want to call them that. Khan, okay, Khan. There you go. Check the PC, he's hacking. For real, what was that shot? Thank you for the follow, Khan.
Check the PC, yeah.
How are
check my
you?
PC, yep.
Where are you from? Nice.
I don't like this there.
Too above you. Honestly, Fortnite. I need a life. Pretty much just
How
play
many teams are
Fortnite.
left?
I'm not even good at it. I'm talking terrible at it.
2.
That keyboard ASMR. Honestly, I don't hear it anymore. I zone out. Hello, new peoples. Shut up, you. 1v1.
Wanna be a 1v1 because well, I'm getting pissed on and he's getting pissed on.
You
I don't
got
know how
this.
many mats he has. Someone mark that little dot, please.
Little dot.
Yeah.
What little dot? That little dot. Wait, what little dot?
It's not hard to see a little dot.
I don't see a little dot. I did not take your mods off you. That was an accident.
No way, I'm at your ass.
Oh, that was the one that killed us.
Shut up.
It was.
TNT. Shut up, shut up. Oh, he's laughing at me now.